Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add the new category for your notes in EasyNotes very easily. Just go to the app, then click on this icon in the top right corner, right here, and then tap Add Category. Here you can choose from now 2, but sometimes there are more categories you can choose from, or you can enter a name like, I don't know, me. Okay, so me. Yes, then click on add, and if we go back we can see that now we have a category titled me. That's basically it. I hope it helps.